Introducing the new 2026 Subaru Forester Wilderness. The newest addition to the Subaru Wilderness family features 9.3 inches of ground clearance, with go-anywhere capability paired with a refined interior and improved on- and off-road driving performance. Powered by a standard 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer engine, X-Mode dual-mode system, Subaru Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive, all-terrain tires, upgraded suspension, and uprated cooling, the new Subaru Forester Wilderness is ready for adventure seekers when the pavement ends. To visually communicate the enhanced performance of the new Forester Wilderness, the SUV adds signature styling elements like the standard roof rails with an 800-pound static load capacity rating, LED hexagonal fog lights, underbody protection, and expanded anodized copper finish exterior accents, including front and rear bumper tow hook covers. The revised 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer engine makes 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, and is linked to a CVT transmission with a shorter final drive ratio. Larger all-terrain Yokohama tires are mounted on Wilderness-exclusive 17-inch anthracite wheels for better performance on muddy or gravel roads. 2026 Subaru Forester Wilderness also offers improved approach, departure, and breakover angles compared to the rest of the 6th generation of Forester lineup. Inside, it is equipped with animal-free interior seating surfaces via water-resistant and easily cleanable StarTex upholstery. Anodized copper finish interior accents are exclusive to the Forester Wilderness trim, and for the first time ever, an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with Wilderness-exclusive graphics is available. Subaru's 11.6-inch Multimedia Plus system is standard in the 2026 Subaru Forester Wilderness and is equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with full-screen display. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.